Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about the different addition and multiplication properties of algebra. So let's start with multiplication properties. So first of all, meron tayong cumulative property of multiplication. It says A times B is equals to B times A. So for example, lagyan natin ng value yung A net. Let's say it is 4 times 3. Same thing lang sila ng 3 times 4. Ng another, yes, same thing lang sila ng 3 times 4 or 4 times 3 din. They are always the same. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So, baliktad na. Associative property of multiplication. So, dito naman, let's define some numbers. Quantity of A times B is equals, times C is equals to A times the quantity of B and C. So, naglalagay ako ng mga numbers dito. So, you can visualize them. So, nag-assign lang ako ng value ng A dito, which is 4 na. Yung B is 3, ang C is 2. So, sa kabila, substitute ko lang yung mga values doon. And, they should be equal. So, there you have it. 4 times 3 times 2 is 24 then. So, as you can see, they are the same. So, now, let's move on to identity property of multiplication. It says A times 1 is always equals to that A value. So, 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Also, 5 times 1 is equals to 5. So, kahit 1,000 pa yan, times 1, 1,000 pa rin siya. Because of identity property of multiplication. So, inverse property of multiplication. A times 1 over A is always equals dun sa 1. So, kung 1,000 times 1 over 1,000, always lang siya sa 1. So, if A equals to 0, so sabi dito is A cannot be 0. So, 0 divided by 0 is undefined. So, which means it is wrong to do that. We can't do that. Now, I'm going to highlight this distributive property of multiplication. Also, this is one of the property of multiplication sa algebra. So, it just literally means we're just going to distribute the value of A to the quantity inside. So, 4 times 6 is 6 times 4, and 4 times 3 is 4 and 3. So, they are the same value. So, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 times 3 is 12. And then, if we're just going to add this will become 36. So, itong distributive property of multiplication na to is napakahalaga and lagi siyang ginagamit. Lalo na kapag may problem tayo like this thing, 7 times the quantity of x plus 2. So, as you can see, hindi natin pwede combine yung x plus 2. So, what we're going to do is just distribute the 7 to that quantity. And there you have it. Now, let's move on to addition properties of algebra. We have commutative property of addition, which literally means A plus B is equals to B plus A. So, 3 plus 4 is same as 4 plus 3. So, I remember that in grade 9, someone is asking our teacher question, pareho ba yun or different na value? So, now, guys, you know, commutative property of addition. So, associative property of addition is just the same as yung parang associative property of multiplication. So, ay naka parenthesis and different yung mga pinaplug in mo, they are always the same. So, as you can see here. So, this will be going to be 4 plus 5. It's going to be 9 plus 6. Parenthesis muna, diba? So, 4 plus 11. So, they are just the same. So, this is going to become 15. And yung kabila is going to become 15 also. So, now let's move on to identity property of addition, which literally says A plus anything, A plus 0 is equals to A. Any kind of value, such as 4 plus 0 is equals to 4, and 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. You can also say 100 plus 0 is equals to 100. So ito naman inverse property of addition. So there you go. Ito is mahalaga to sa algebra also. Ito yung movement para sa linear equation. So ba yung founding para solve yun. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and goodbye.